Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, September the 7th. Welcome back boost yesterday. Markets popped within striking distance of all-time highs. S&P was up 6 points. Dow futures now 125 points off the record. And the NASDAQ 100 futures did make a new record on the day. The dollar was a story. The dollar punched below 95, so a beat down there, giving a lot of assets and commodities some support. One of the big winners on the day was gold, up $27, a 2% gain after finding that support that we talked about last week around 1320, 1310 level, bouncing back to 1350, which was that breakdown that we saw here in August. Let's see where the next move there. Also on the move was silver. Silver was up 3% yesterday, back to $20 an ounce. Crude oil didn't do much. It was negative, but ended up closing up 40 cents on the day around the $45 level, stuck in the mud still. So after the big bounce yesterday, where things stand here on this Wednesday morning, well, we're kind of steady right now. Looking at the E-mini S&P right now, we're down 1.5 points. Dow futures down 10, and the NASDAQ up 5, making new records in tech once again. Crude oil, as it stands right now, is unchanged, as is gold, as is the dollar. So we'll have to wait for the next fallout and push to determine where those markets are going to go after that dollar has retreated, as no Fed hike has been priced into the September meeting here in the next coming weeks. Looking at the markets to drive by fundamentals, Apple has their unveiling today of their iPhone 7. The big question, will it have an earphone jack or not? So that's a technology advance that could lead to wireless chargers that would be a big deal for Apple. So to sum up where we stand, with half an hour ago before the cash stock market open, steady to a bit lower, down 1.5 right now in the S&P, down 10 in the Dow futures, but making new highs in the NASDAQ 100, up 5. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.